If you're running a directory where trust and feedback matter, like restaurants, hotels, saloons, or service marketplaces, reviews can make or break your business. That's why the Directorist Advanced Review Extension takes reviews far beyond simple star ratings. It turns customer feedback into meaningful insights, allowing users to rate listing across multiple criteria, such as service quality, professionalism, pricing, or product value. For listing owners, it highlights strengths and areas for improvement through real, structured feedback. The result? Your directory becomes more transparent, trustworthy, and user focused, attracting more engagement and credibility. Here's what makes the Advanced Review extension so powerful. You can define up to 5 custom rating criteria per directory, meaning every business type can have its own relevant rating system. For example, a restaurant directory can focus on taste and ambience, while a hotel directory might rate room service and cleanliness. User can add headlines, detailed comments, and even upload images to make reviews more authentic. And to keep things safe, user can report suspicious reviews, allowing admins to take quick action and protect your platform's integrity. You can even enable guest reviews, letting visitors share their experience without logging in. A great way to increase participation and keep your content active. In short, advanced review brings fairness, engagement, and insight to your directory, all while keeping reviews authentic and professional. Let's go through the setup. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to directory listing, then themes and extension, find advanced review, then click install. And once the process is complete, click activate. If you already have the file downloaded, you can manually upload it by going to plugin, add new, upload plugin. Once uploaded, return to the theme and extension section and activate it from here. Your advanced review extension is now active and ready to configure. Now let's add the review block to your directory layout. Go to your directory listings, directory builder, single page layout, contents. From here, drag and drop the advanced review block into your preferred section, typically on the right side of your single listing layout. Click on the block to open settings. You can rename the section label, for example, customer reviews, and choose a star icon that matches your design. If you open the advanced options, you will find fields like section ID, custom block ID, and custom CSS classes, which are useful for developers or designers who want to fine tune the layout or styling. Once done, click Update to save your changes. Next, let's customize the review form itself. The advanced review form includes several editable fields, comments for written feedback, email and name for reviewer details, website field for B2B listings, and consent options for GDPR or cookie compliance. The most important part is the review criteria. Toggle on enable multi-criteria and you can define up to 5 rating criteria specific to your directory. For example, you might set service quality, communication, pricing, or location accuracy. Plus, you can also enable image upload, allowing user to attach up to 5 images with their reviews, a great feature for hospitality or tourism listings. Once configured, click Update to save your form. Here's how the ratings are calculated. Each review includes scores for all your active criteria, each rated from 1 to 5 stars. The system then calculates an average rating across all criteria to display as the overall score. If you had older reviews before activating this extension, don't worry, those ratings are preserved. The new reviews will simply blend in, keeping your overall ratings consistent. And if the extension is even deactivated, your site will continue to show the last known average rating automatically. To manage all submitted reviews, go to directory listing, then reviews. Here you can view every review with details like reviewer's name and email, review content, and the listing where it was submitted. You can approve, unapprove, edit, reply, mark as spam, or delete reviews as needed. You will also find the options to reply publicly to reviews. Those appears under the review text level as listing owner. To maintain your platform's credibility, the Advanced Review Extension includes a reporting system. If a user flags a review as inappropriate, the admin receives an email alert with the review details. You can then check it manually and take the right action: approve, remove, or ignore. If you make any changes, an automatic email is sent to the listing owners so they can stay informed. However, the reporting user remains anonymous and does not receive updates. This ensures moderation stays transparent and fair without revealing personal data. Now let's look at how it appears on the front end. Visitors can see average ratings and individual category across the star icons, written reviews with optional images, helpful, not helpful voting buttons, and the owner replies right under the reviews. User can sort reviews by newest, oldest, highest, or lowest rating and filter by specific criteria that matters to them, helping them find relevant feedback instantly. And that's how you use the Directorist Advanced Review Extension. By transforming basic star ratings into rich, multi-criteria reviews, you not only improve transparency but also help user make smarter decisions and give listing owners the insights they need to grow. To make your directory more credible, engaging, and user-focused, get started with the Advanced Review Extension today. You can purchase it individually starting at $29 per year or save more by unlocking all Directories premium themes and extensions together. Visit directories.com to learn more and start turning reviews into real results for your directory website.